Hey guys, welcome back to BeautiCo. So today in this video, you guys are gonna see me get ready for my birthday dinner. Today is my birthday. Today is the 23rd of March and I'm sitting in front of the camera and getting ready with you guys. I am so excited. I'm gonna put a full glam on and just everything is gonna look absolutely stunning, so I cannot wait. I am gonna get started quickly, but before going, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also don't forget to hit the notification bell right next to the subscribe button so that you guys get notified every single time I upload a video. Now let's get that birthday glam on. So for primer, I am taking the Rarebeauty's Pore Diffusing Primer. This is going to fill in my pores and smooth my skin, and then it's going to start looking flawless step by step. Then I'm gonna go in with my Nykaa's Strobe and Glow Liquid Highlighter, and I'm gonna apply it on the highest points of my cheeks below my foundation. That way I'm gonna have that glowy looking skin from within. Next, for foundation, I am going to be applying the Rarebeauty foundation. My shade is 310W. I love this foundation. It's a very natural looking medium coverage foundation and lasts on my oily skin for a very long time, and it looks so flawless. I love the way this foundation looks. It looks glam at the same time. It is very light on the skin. So I'm just gonna like apply it everywhere. Gonna take my foundation brush and just start blending it out. Look at that, it is so beautiful. For concealer, I'm taking my e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer, satin finish one in the shade Medium Sand. Again, a full coverage hydrating concealer, so it's not gonna make my under eyes look very matte or dried out. It's a very natural looking full coverage concealer. So I'm just gonna apply it where I have darkness, a little around my mouth, my T-zone, and also on my eyelids to prime them for eyeshadow. And then I am gonna blend this out with my e.l.f. Camo sponge. Gonna cream contour a little bit with the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Contour one. Using the e.l.f. Buffing Foundation brush. Then I'm going to apply a cream blush. This one is the Milani Supercharged Cheek+lip in this shade called as Spice Jolt. Then I'm gonna set this beautiful liquid base that we have just applied with my absolute favorite e.l.f. Halo Glow Setting Powder in the shade Medium, and I'm gonna use the Pack Puff to set everything in place and make everything look beautiful. Then I'm going to do my brows with the Anastasia's Dipbrow pomade in the shade Ebony, and then I'm going to set it with the Anastasia's Brow Freeze. So that's how I do my brows. It's an extensive process, but I love the end result. This is some new technique that I've been following. So if you guys want a video on that, let me know. But let's move on to eyes now. I'm gonna do something warm, smoky, foxy eye kind of a thing, because I absolutely love that kind of makeup and it looks amazing on my eye shape. So for eyes, I am using the Surf Glam palette by Anastasia. This is one of my absolute favorite palettes. I use this so much whenever I want to look glam and want to do those smoky, warm toned, gorgeous looking eyes. This is the palette that I go for. I love it. I love the pigmentation. I love everything about this palette. So good. So I'm gonna start with the burnt orange shade right here. Apply it in my transition area. Taking the shade Rustic, and I'm gonna just deepen my outer corners and my outer crease with this. Then I'm going to take this noir shade, that is the black eyeshadow, on a very small brush, and I'm just going to flick it up very gently, deepening the outer corners. And I'm going to keep it halfway. I'm not going to get it too inside. And I'm being very light with this, like literally very light, just like that. And as you can see, I'm flicking it upwards, just like that. Blending everything out with the burnt orange shade so that everything melts together. And then just using the shade Glistening right here, I'm gonna apply this right in the center of my eyelids to give it that pop. Not too much, just a little, because I don't want it to get too sparkly. Just want to lift my eyes a little bit. Just making it a little bit more subtle. And just a little bit on my lower waterline as well, just to give it that pop. And then I'm gonna complete this look with a wing liner. I'm gonna do a very small wing to make it look pretty and put together. The wing liner, the liner that I'm using is the Rarebeauty one. This is the Perfect Strokes matte liquid liner. It's very black, very long lasting, very, very good. Just extending my inner corners. Quickly gonna put some brown kajal on my lower waterline. This one is the PAC Coffee Brown Coal. I love this one. And I'm gonna put this curl my lashes. And of course I'm gonna apply some lashes because I'm wearing wing liner, so I want my lashes to look like very fluttery, so I am gonna apply some falsies. So my lashes are still drying, so till that time I'm gonna complete applying my bronzer. I need some warmth in my face because my eye makeup is pretty smoky, so a little bit of tan bronziness is needed. So I am using my Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer, and just gonna add some warmth. Just need a little bit of more like that orangey bronziness, so I'm just using my MAC Give Me Sun Mineralized Skin Finish to add a little bit of more color. Then for blush, I'm just using the Makeup Revolution Blush Duo in the shade Kindness. I'm using the blush in this palette. I love this color. It looks beautiful on my medium skin. Do you see how I'm sculpting my face with the bronzer, then with the blush, and it's automatically making my face look so much more longer? These are some new techniques that I have learned and I have been loving them. So of course I'm gonna wear it on my birthday because I want to look snatched. Just gonna apply my lashes. These are the Swati Cosmetics Tanzanite lashes, if I'm not wrong, but my absolute favorite pair. These are almost like gone now. I think this is the last time I can wear them. Do you see how fluttery these lashes are towards the end? They just complete this eye makeup. And then I'm gonna set this makeup in place with the Smashbox Primer Water. And now it's time for lips, and of course I'm gonna wear a nude lip because this look is gonna look bomb with a nude lip, and it's gonna be a darker lip liner and the center of the lips is gonna be a lighter shade. So this is the lip combo. I am using the Colourpop Lippy Pencil. This is in the shade BFF3. It's like a chocolatey brown, cool toned brown shade, and then I'm gonna fill it in with this one. This is the Too Faced Melted Matte Liquefied Matte Longwear Lipstick in the shade Sellout. This is a beautiful lighter brownie pinky kind of nude. everything is done. The only thing left is highlighter, which I almost forgot, which is not good. I'm gonna be applying the Bobbi Brown's highlighting powder in the shade Bronze Glow. Again, #1 highlighter. I love it. It is the perfect champagne gold highlighter and looks stunning. It is reflective, but it just melts into the skin. Just look at that. Ooh, of course I need some glow on my birthday. How do I forget that? And just applying some highlighter. So now I'm just gonna quickly do my hair, wear my outfit, and I'll be right back. And I am ready. I'm just gonna apply some perfume. This one is by Thierry Mugler. This is the Angel fragrance. It's a pretty strong fragrance. It's a very like spicy and like a very bold woman kind of a fragrance. So if you are someone who does not like bold, spicy and like strong fragrances, you're not gonna like this, but this absolutely smells amazing, just like a boss. And that's the vibe that I'm going for today, with this black jacket, this turtleneck, and of course my eye makeup. It's perfect for this perfume as well. So yep, just 2 sprays is more than enough because it's pretty strong. Big hoops. So yeah, that's it. I hope you guys had fun watching me get ready for my birthday. And if you all did like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna go now because I'm super late. I'm gonna see you all in my next video very soon. Until then, bye.